accessories for new Defender. As we can see, I have already introduced some carbon fiber parts one by one in different videos before, but today I have an order which need to ship to worldwide, and I'm going to introduce something new. And for your reference, what's the best selling for the carbon fiber accessories for new Defender? And the first one, I'm going to introduce the carbon fiber bonnet. I've already introduced this carbon fiber bonnet for 2 years from the first sample I bought from the UK, and the one I'm going to introduce today is a dry carbon fiber, which I told you guys is the best quality in the market. And what's new for this carbon fiber bonnet? I have a new product for introduce. That's the wing of the angel for the Defender bonnet. This is the ABS corrective direction plate for Defender bonnet, and this made by ABS, which is gloss black with the white bracket, including in the package when we ship out. When you receive it, it's very easy to install to the car, and just install on the whole of the bonnet, then will be finished. And another new part we are going to updating for this product is the vent cover. It's already installed on the bonnet when we shipped out, so it's easy for you to install the carbon fiber bonnet to your cars. No need to find accessories from the box from here or there. And on the other hand, I'm going to introduce the one dry carbon fiber raspoil. This one we have the nice shape, which is the popular thing, and on the back side we can find is dry carbon fiber, and some customer is wondering what the hole for. This is from the machine, the mold tooling machine, so we have this holes, but when we install to the rear spoil, install to the rear roof, the hole will be hidden, so it will not influence for the installation or driving. And one more thing to notice that when you install the rear spoil, please make sure to use more 3M stickers to make it fast to the roof. And when you install it, please make sure to hold it and to make sure it's stable to your cars. On the another hand is the front grille. It's dry carbon fiber. It's easy to install because just remove the stickers and hold on your front grille. It will be matched for the front bonnet. It looks very lash design. And on the other hand, I'm going to show you guys the wheel edge. As we can see, we have the matte black edge, the gloss black edge, and this is our carbon fiber wheel edge. And look at the back side. The back side with the bracket, it's easy to install. Like the original ones, remove the original wheel edge from the car and just hold this, use the bracket to make sure it's stable. And we can find the gloss, the painting of the face of the wheel edge. It's really nice, and you can find the other videos from the YouTube channel to see some customers take this wheel edge from us and install very good. And one more thing to notice that for Defender 110 there comes 6 pieces, and for Defender 90 there comes 4 pieces. So that's it. And here I'm going to introduce some small accessories. Please let the camera advance. As we can see, this is the roof light, the carbon fiber roof light. This is the short one I've introduced as a previous video, like the Type B roof light. And we have Type A, Type C, which is both ABS material and the carbon fiber material. And we can notice that the LED light is different for the Type A, Type B, and Type 3. And the installation is very easy. Just use a simple way to make it complete, and use stickers to fix on the roof of the car. And then you And then take the wires through the A0 from the car and connect the controller supply to connect with the car battery to make it powerful. And we have the button. Just use the button, open and close the light you want. So this is the installation guide for the roof light. If you still have any questions, just contact our sales department for more information. We can offer the installation guide for you to reference. And for the carbon fiber toolbox, it's an enchanting thing because the surface is very simple and we can make some stickers by DIY design with your stickers or with your name. It's very easy for you to make your own design. And one thing noticed which is similar to open and close like the original ones, when we use the key to open the box, we can find that there comes the brackets, the accessories, and the installation guide. Some customers always ask me, Summer, do you have the installation guide and the accessories all included in the box, in the packages you sent to us? Yes, for sure, of course. We have all the things you need. And if you lose some accessories, just contact us. We can supply them. And for this toolbox, when we install the toolbox, make sure you have already installed the roof rail. If without the roof rail, you cannot install the ladder and the toolbox. And that's it. And you can check pictures of the back side of the toolbox. It's dry carbon fiber and the quality is very, very good. So do not only check the surface and also check the inside design. It will not cheat you. You will always get what you pay. And for the way close the toolbox, you need to press it to make sure it's locked. That's very necessary way. How to use this one? We can put some mini bars or some tools inside of the toolbox when we go out, when we go traveling with our families, when we go off-road, we go camping with our friends. This toolbox is very useful. And this one is a dry carbon fiber, the tail lamp cover. It's same way to install on the cars. And we can find the difference from the original one is we use the carbon fiber to instead of the ABS practice because we want the car looks more luxurious and it's very hard to be broken. So I think it's a good choice if you like the luxury ways. And this is the handle cover. I think you will need it, or you can choose another design which is a replacement one with a bracket in our shop. And this is the mud flap. Mud flap, the narrow ones. This one is good for defend winter because it's original design look. And what's the new product I'm going to introduce today is our carbon fiber steering wheels. We have this carbon fiber steering wheel which is very good look with the leather and the acanalabra, 是不是？ Napa. This is Napa leathers. And we have the heating wheels. And if you want to change the carbon fiber steering wheel, you need to programming from the Land Rover computer to make sure you can get the original buttons to use the specification. So in the next video, I will going to install the steering wheel to show the installation guide and step for you guys reference. So don't be forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more information in next week. And thank you very much for your watching today. See you next week. Bye bye.